For nearly a century, Cornell Cooperative Extension of Suffolk County, in partnership with Cornell University, has helped turn research into real-life skills for healthier living. Through classrooms, kitchens, and much more, our educators have empowered Suffolk County families to live a stronger, healthier, and educated lives. For over 30 years, our Community Nutrition Education Program has partnered with schools, senior centers, and other local organizations, teaching families how to cook simple, affordable meals, prevent chronic disease, and build lifelong healthy habits. But now, our work faces a serious challenge. In September 2025, the federal SNAP-Ed program ended, leaving a critical gap in nutrition education for our most vulnerable neighbors. This is where you can make a difference. Your donation helps keep this vital work alive. With your support, our multilingual team of educators, dietitians, social workers, and child development specialists can continue reaching every corner of Suffolk County, teaching, guiding, and inspiring healthier lives. Your support helps sustain programs like school wellness, healthy corner stores, community gardens, farmers markets, food pantries, worksite wellness, faithful families, and food as medicine, bringing health education to every corner of Suffolk County. We partner with more than 600 community organizations that help us make this work real, relevant, and lasting. But we can't do it without you. When you give to Community Education CCE Suffolk, you are investing in sustainable community-based education that's broad and multilingual, ensuring every family has access to the tools that they need to live well. Together, we can continue empowering healthy lives, one meal, one family, and one community at a time. Please donate today for a healthier Suffolk and for a stronger tomorrow.